Annually, thousands of people lose their lives while paramedics and ambulances attempt to transport patients from the site of the accident to healthcare facilities. It is not the fault of anyone, but the fault of poor communication, lack of information, and delayed intervention. Currently, this process of transportation from ambulances to hospitals is underwhelmingly unoptimized, often leaving lives at risk. For an infrastructural commodity of this magnitude, something needs to be done. Fast. The logistical planning necessary to safely transport a patient to their realm of care is often overlooked and underfunded. As more awareness of supply chain inefficiencies are discussed, a serious pipeline that affects human life is emergency transportation. The immeasurable value of essential workers such as police, firefighters, EMS, and medical technicians goes without question. However, small miscommunications among first responders can result in severe injury or worse, loss of life.
Introducing PulseLink, a revolutionary healthcare aid mobile application designed to ease communication between first responders. Our app is aimed at hospitals, EMS, fire departments, and police departments. After extensive communication with healthcare professionals, emergency medical trainers, and emergency medical service responders, we have identified issues with the current method of communication between first responders and hospitals. Considering lives are hanging in the balance, this is a matter that needs to be addressed. Our largest competitor, Active 911, does not account for numerous factors such as a line of direct communication between first responders and hospitals, scene safety, traffic lights, vehicular traffic, road accidents, bed availability, shift scheduling, file managing, and patient and user safety. All of these aforementioned features will be incorporated into PulseLink in a way the market has never seen before, and are all steps we believe are necessary to ensure patient safety. The most vital component or element of PulseLink is the incorporation of AI technology to ensure ambulances and first responders are taking the most efficient route and minimizing travel time to reach the accident destination. In emergencies, every second counts. Our revamped navigation system doesn't find just the quickest path. Traffic lights predicted, congestion anticipated. Even the nature of the call and closest responders' locations are factored in, automatically channeling the closest help straight to the scene. No more time wasted navigating chaos. This isn't just a faster route, it's a lifeline. Potentially the difference between a life saved and one lost. Imagine the impact. Streamlined response, optimized resources, and heroes arriving just in time. It's not just innovation, it's rewriting the future of emergency care, one life-saving second at a time.
EMTs and firefighters have spoken. Their biggest frustration? Communication errors can cause departments multiple errors during critical calls, and this disarray translates to precious seconds lost, seconds that can mean life or death. That's why PulseLink is stepping in, bringing the power of seamless communication to all first responders. Imagine this, paramedics treating a patient in the ambulance, instantly sharing vital stats with the hospital, ensuring the smoothest possible transition to care, or firefighters on the scene, coordinating with police and rescue squads seamlessly through their iPhones or any device. PulseLink makes this possible across hospitals, ambulances, fire trucks, and police cars. We built PulseLink with accessibility in mind. Our universal language, Flutter, ensures this communication lifeline works on any device, Android, Apple, or even a web browser. It's not just communication, it's a revolution in collaboration, saving lives, one connected response at a time.
PulseLink is able to eliminate potential errors in information transfer and intervention delay, thereby allowing better organization within hospitals and ensuring better communication standards. Targeting the lack of real-time information and long response times are primary goals of PulseLink. Additionally, PulseLink creates enhanced navigation through AI modeling and communication network establishment, leading to increased efficiency among our first responders.
Those closest to adopting our product in the early stage of development are first responders, who are currently utilizing inefficient communication methods between themselves and hospitals in the area. We aspire to branch out to further markets, primarily first responders who have only been exposed to the traditional methods of communication. And finally, our most untapped market would be first responders who have experienced data and privacy issues and may be fearful of transitioning to a new medtech product.
Funding for PulseLink will be generated through a 3-stage pipeline. Our first stage includes private grants such as the MIT Think and America's Seed Fund grants. Further funding will be provided by angel investors and venture capitalist platforms. Our tertiary funding pipeline includes online crowdfunding and local fundraising. Additionally, we want to consider partnering with companies such as Mark Cuban's Cost Plus Drugs, Novartis, and Stryker, advancing our medical technology base